now on Ubuntu. The drivers does support this computer. It supports it, so I'm able to not only run Windows, I'm able to run Linux distros on it. And it's actually more functional than normal. Considering it's pretty old, but it does support UEFI BIOS. Considering it came to Windows 7, but I did some upgrades to it, as you can see. I did some upgrades to, it's got an Intel i7, but it has 3 hard drives in there. It's got 2 SSDs, 1 mechanical drive, and also has 3. And I got this thing that had a DVD drive, but a lot of them these days don't come with it, so I removed it. I'm going to click on install. I'm just having to put the camera down so I can actually install